Please surrender your firearms. They will be returned to you upon touchdown.
You good?
Never been better.
It's about 45 minutes.
Mike, I wasn't even gonna tell you this, but in one of our previous lifetimes together, you were a donkey, and I owned you. You were a stubborn ass, Mike. You used to bite and spit. You were nasty, but I was a terrible owner, you know, because I used to beat you, because you wouldn't listen for shit. And maybe I beat some kind of shame into you, Mike, and now I realize I was scarring your soul.
You miss your nap?
Mike, I'm trying to apologize to you.
We don't have your blankie, but you could just rest your eyes.
That's exactly how you was as a donkey.
Okay.
That's that shit there.
I get it. You need some help with your seatbelt?
No, donkey.
Hey, Bryant, this is Bronson. Other guys are on turnaround.
Take a seat.
What's up?